Hello, namaste, and a very good morning to you all. This is Gaurav Sharma. In our today's video, we are going to talk about what is public speaking and what are the benefits of public speaking. Well, let's move on to our first slide, and that is about what is public speaking. Well, public speaking, also called oratory or oration, is the process or act of performing a speech to a live audience. Public speaking is commonly understood as formal, face to face speaking of a single person to a group of listeners. However, due to the evolution of public speaking, it is modernly viewed as any form of speaking, formally and informally, between an audience and the speaker. Traditionally, public speaking was considered to be a part of the art of persuasion. The act can accomplish particular purposes, including to inform, to persuade, and to entertain. Additionally, differing methods, structures, and rules can be utilized according to the speaking situation. Well, let's move on to our next slide, and that is the benefits of public speaking. So, there are several benefits that I have mentioned here in this slide, and we are going to discuss about these benefits. So let's start with the first benefit that we have mentioned here, that is career advancement. Well, effective public speaking skills can help with career advancement, as they indicate creativity, critical thinking skills, leadership abilities, poise and professionalism, qualities which are very valuable for the job market. Speaking at the events and conferences is a good way of building credibility. The more well known the event, the better, as you can add these speaking achievements to your resume. Public speaking can also help you stand out at work. You will learn to speak up in meetings, to promote your ideas, and to present yourself as a professional. Speaking skills can also help you excel in job interviews. After speaking at a few events, people will remember you and begin to see you as an authoritative figure on your area of expertise. You will find yourself getting new client and business from people who watched you speak. All sort of new business and speaking opportunities will open for you. Well, that is the biggest benefit of public speaking. Well, the next point is boost confidence. Public speaking can significantly boost your confidence. Overcoming the fears and insecurities that accompany public speaking is empowering. Furthermore, connecting with the audience can be a strong reminder that you have valuable insights and opinions to share with the world. Your confidence level will grow as you go from speaking to small groups of people up to large audiences. This will benefit you not just on stage but in everyday life as well, whether it be in a meeting or on a date. Well, third point is critical thinking. Public speaking is an excellent way to build critical thinking skills. Writing a speech requires a great deal of careful thought, from the audience analysis to the closing sentence. It's not enough to have a message. You also need to figure out how to tailor the message to fit the needs of your audience. How can you make your points relevant to your listeners? How can you help the audience understand your views? If you start thinking critically about your speaking style, you may find ways to improve your general communication style at home and at work. Well, the next point is personal development. Communication skills are crucial for personal and professional success, and improving this area is one of the greatest benefits of public speaking. Preparing a speech forces speakers to take a step back and think critically about effective ways to communicate. Well, the next point is improve communication skills. When you write a speech, you have to think careful about the best framework, persuasive strategy, and diction to communicate your message to the audience. This type of thinking can help you improve your communication skill in other areas of your life. Personal relationships, social interaction, and work situation require you to communicate ideas to the other people. Public speaking focuses on communicating ideas. You can learn to calmly take up on opposing views, to present your ideas in an organized and coherent manner, and to defend your views to others. Well, make new social connections. Public speaking engagements are good places to meet other people who share your interest. You will find that people approach you after your presentation to engage in conversation. It makes it much easier to make new social connections. Well, personal satisfaction. Public speaking is a very common phobia, right up there while spiders and heights. Many people would prefer to do almost anything instead of standing up and talking in front of a crowd of people. Delivering a speech can feel intimidating and risky. Fears and insecurities tend to multiply as the speech draws closer. What if I forget my speech? What if I can't answer the audience questions? Public speaking is a way of showing yourself that with practice you can do the things that scare you the most. What starts out as a nightmare can turn into a personal boost. Expand your professional network. Another benefit of public speaking is that when you speak at an event, you will suddenly find that everyone wants to talk with you. This is a valuable opportunity for making friends, building business contacts, and generating business. Not only this, but you also get the opportunity to network with other speakers, some of whom may be very difficult to contact normally. Learn to persuade. Public speaking is a long history as a catalyst for non-violent activism and political change. It is a powerful way to unite people under a common cause and motivate them to take action. It's no secret that people throughout history have used the power of public speaking to make a difference. You will hardly ever have a better opportunity to speak to a captive audience about what they really matters to you. You will get a chance to influence your peers. You won't change the world with every speech, but you can easily impact someone in some small way. Well, build leadership skills. If you let others do your talking for you in the past or found it hard to express what you want to say, that will fail. Not only will you be able to fluently speak your mind, but you will find yourself doing it for others too. In standing up and speaking in a way that is powerful, you are speaking in a way that will change people's mind about something. Learn performance skills. You will have become conscious of timing, when to pause and how long for. You will know about vocal variety, how to shift through changes of volume, speech, rate and tone, and your articulation will be clearer. As you become more confident, you will know about mime, using props and storytelling. All of these acting skills enhance your speech. Well, the next point is develop your vocabulary and fluency. It is very important that you will work on your vocabulary and fluency so that you will be able to do conversation in a very better way. No fear of impromptu speaking. By the help of public speaking, you will find yourself graciously accepting the opportunity for an impromptu speech. This is a huge benefit of public speaking, and you will stop constantly worrying at formal events about being asked to speak. Well, learn to argue. When you present, you often need to put forward a well thought out argument. In the preparation, in the practice, and on the actual stage, you will learn much about the art of argument, especially if you get to engage with your audience in some form of question and answer. Well, the last point is be a better listener. Listener may be a lost art, but a public speaking course actually teaches you to become a better listener. When you attend conferences, you will hear several different type of speeches about a wide variety of topics from people who may be very different from you. This will passively build your listening ability and note-taking. Well, that's all for now. I hope you guys like this video, and in the end, I would like to give credit to the presentation that has been created by the help of Slideshow, including icons by Platicon and infographics and images by Prepay. Well, thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a good day ahead.